Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to run 3 WhatsApp accounts on one phone. First, you can use your device's native dual messenger or app cloner feature to easily set up a second WhatsApp. Next, for a third account, simply download and configure the official WhatsApp business application. This method is straightforward and secure. We will also explore other effective strategies to manage multiple accounts seamlessly on a single device. Many modern smartphones offer a built-in feature like dual apps or app cloner within their settings. Navigate to your phone's settings, then search for this option, often found under Advanced Features or Utilities. Once located, simply select WhatsApp to create a duplicate version. You can then register this second WhatsApp instance using a separate phone number, effectively giving you 2 accounts. For your third WhatsApp account, the solution is straightforward. Download the official WhatsApp business application. This app is designed for businesses, but can be used by anyone with a separate phone number. Install it from your device's app store, then proceed to register it with your third unique phone number. It functions completely independently from your 2 standard WhatsApp accounts, providing a distinct platform for communication. If you need even more accounts, or if your phone lacks a dual app feature, consider using WhatsApp Web. Open your phone's browser, go to web.whatsapp.com, and link another account by scanning the QR code. Alternatively, for a more robust cloning solution, explore third-party applications such as Parallel Space. These apps create an isolated environment, allowing you to run multiple instances of WhatsApp with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.